Melissa DiMaria here, coming to you from beautiful and sunny Tampa, Florida. I am excited, and I know you're going to think it's crazy, but I'm excited to be in your market center coming real soon. Check the email with the information below for exact date and time. I'm going to be in your market center talking about probably not the most sexiest subject in the world, but it's our agent financials. It's like, how do we do business? How do we have a business, right? How do we handle our money? What are the strategies and the tips to be a successful, profitable business? Because after all, making money and profit is what we're after. I'm going to be in the market center. We're going to be talking about what are the things that you should be doing so that you are building a true business, a business that has a P&L, a business that has a budget, a business that can grow and knows how to grow financially responsibly. I'm excited to be able to share this with you. I am a lifelong entrepreneur. My husband and I owned an extremely successful business, which we started when we were in our 20s. I've been selling real estate for 19 years and have built a really successful real estate business as well. I know how important this is. I also know that it's maybe not the most exciting topic in the world. Promise I will make it fun. And the most important part is that if you've been in the business for a while, business is changing, right? How we handle our money is going to become super, super important for the stability and long-term growth of your business. I hope that you will take the time to invest in your business and in yourself and come back into the classroom and work on your business and put into place the things that you need to build a business that can not only survive a changing market, but thrive all the way through it. If you are new in real estate, this is the time to start and learn how to do this right. Don't make the mistakes and then try and go back and fix it later. Again, I'm excited to be there. It will be a purposeful day. You're going to leave with some action steps and it will be engaging. I promise it'll be well worth your time. I'm looking forward to seeing you. Make it a fantastic day, and I'll see you real soon.